Hello everyone, welcome to today's English class. You want to speak English confidently. In the next 15 minutes, you'll learn 100 daily use English sentences from basic to advanced level. Stay till the end because the last 20 sentences are used by fluent English speakers every day. First, basic to advanced English sentences 1. Basic is I am hungry, and native speakers say, I'm starving. 2. Basic, I am tired. Advanced, I'm exhausted. Stop saying, I am happy. Advanced, I'm thrilled. Don't say I am sad. Say, I'm feeling down. Basic is, I am busy. Now say, I'm tied up. Stop saying, I don't know. Say this instead, I have no idea. Basic, I understand. Native speakers say, I get it. Stop saying, be careful. Say this instead. Watch out. Don't say. Wait a minute. In advanced English say, hold on a second. Basic, let's go. Advanced, let's get going. Great job. Now let's learn some daily conversation sentences that native speakers use. Basic, how are you? Advanced, how's it going? Basic, what are you doing? Advanced, what are you up to? Basic, don't worry. Advanced, no worries. Basic, maybe. Advanced, possibly. Basic, of course. Advanced, absolutely. Basic, good luck. Advanced, best of luck. Basic, thank you. Advanced, I appreciate it. Basic, you're welcome. Advanced, my pleasure. Basic, see you later. Advanced, catch you later. Basic, calm down. Advanced, take it easy. Excellent. Now, let's move to advanced English used by fluent speakers. Basic, I'm very busy. Advanced, I'm swamped. Basic, I'm very angry. Advanced, I'm furious. Basic, I'm very cold. Advanced, I'm freezing. Basic, I'm very hot. Advanced, I'm scorching. Basic, I'm very surprised. Advanced, I'm astonished. Basic, that's beautiful. Advanced, that's stunning. Basic, that's funny. Advanced, that's hilarious. Basic, that's interesting. Advanced, that's fascinating. Basic, that's impossible. Advanced, that's out of the question. Basic, I'm ready. Advanced, I'm all set. Fantastic work. Now let's learn native speaker. English basic. Let's start. Advanced, let's get the ball rolling. Basic, relax. Advanced, take it easy. Basic, be quiet. Advanced, keep it down. Basic, hurry up. Advanced, step on it. Basic, good job. Advanced, well done. Basic, keep trying. Advanced, don't give up. Basic, that's easy. Advanced, no sweat. Basic, that's difficult. Advanced, it's a tough nut to crack. Basic, I'm busy. Advanced, I've got a lot on my plate.